Welcome to the channel. If you're here today, you're probably wondering how you can take control of your finances in 2025 and save money as quickly and effectively as possible. Whether you're planning for a big purchase, building an emergency fund, or simply looking to become more financially responsible, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll explore some tried and true strategies to help you save money fast this year. The truth is, saving money isn't about depriving yourself or living in extreme frugality. It's about making smarter choices and developing habits that will benefit your future. So, let's dive into some actionable, practical tips to help you save more this year without feeling overwhelmed or sacrificing too much. 1. Start with a clear financial goal. The first step to saving money fast in 2025 is having a clear goal in mind. Whether you're trying to save for a vacation, a new car, or simply building your emergency fund, knowing exactly what you're working towards makes the process more motivating and achievable. Write it down. Writing down your financial goal makes it real. Whether it's a simple sticky note or a detailed spreadsheet, putting your goal somewhere you can see it daily will keep you on track. Be specific. Instead of saying, "I want to save money," try, "I want to save $1,500 for a vacation by June." The more specific your goal, the easier it is to develop a plan. The key to fast savings is focusing on one specific target at a time, so you don't spread yourself too thin. 2. Track your spending. You might be surprised at how much you're spending each month, especially on things you don't even realize. The first step to saving is understanding where your money is going. Use an app or spreadsheet. There are tons of free apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, or even simple Google Sheets that can track your income and expenses. These tools categorize your spending and highlight areas where you could cut back. Look for patterns. Go through your spending habits and look for patterns. Do you eat out more than you think? Are there subscription services you don't use anymore? Identifying wasteful habits is a huge step toward cutting unnecessary costs. When you track your spending, you'll gain insight into areas where you can make simple changes, which will free up more money for savings. 3. Automate your savings. One of the best ways to save money without thinking about it is by automating the process. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings account as soon as you get paid. This way, saving becomes part of your routine rather than something you have to consciously think about. Set up automatic transfers. Whether it's $50 or $500 per paycheck, create an automatic transfer to a separate savings account. Even a small amount will add up quickly over time, especially when you're consistent. Use apps with savings features. Apps like Acorns or Digit round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and automatically save the change for you. It's an effortless way to save small amounts that can grow over time. Once it's automated, you won't even notice it, yet your savings will steadily grow. 4. Cut back on non-essential subscriptions. Subscriptions are one of the sneakiest ways money drains from your bank account without you even realizing it. Services like Netflix, Spotify, Amazon Prime, and even gym memberships can add up quickly. By trimming back on these, you can save a lot of money fast. Do a subscription audit. Review all of your current subscriptions. Are there any you don't use anymore or could live without? Do you really need 5 streaming services, or could you make do with just 1 or 2? Pause or cancel. Services like Netflix or Disney Plus allow you to pause your subscription, so you can save money without losing access permanently. For other memberships, consider sharing a family plan with someone else to cut costs. It's easy to forget about these recurring charges, but cutting back on just a few of them can free up a significant amount of cash for your savings. 5. Embrace a minimalist mindset. Saving money fast often requires you to make changes to your lifestyle. By embracing a minimalist mindset, you'll focus on purchasing only what you truly need and avoiding impulse buys. This not only saves you money, but also reduces clutter in your life. Declutter your home. Start by selling things you no longer need. Websites like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Poshmark make it easy to sell unused items and turn them into cash. Make do with less. Instead of buying new things when you don't need them, try to make use of what you already have. For example, instead of buying new clothes, swap with friends, or try thrifting for items that are still in good condition. By shifting your mindset to focus on what's truly necessary, you'll stop spending money on things that don't add real value to your life. 6. Find ways to earn extra income. Saving money fast isn't just about cutting back. It's also about increasing your income. If you have some spare time or a particular skill, there are countless ways to earn extra money on the side in 2025. Freelance or gig work. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, or even TaskRabbit allow you to use your skills, whether it's writing, graphic design, tutoring, or running errands, to make extra money. Sell unused items. Declutter and sell items you no longer use. Old clothes, electronics, furniture, anything that's in decent condition can be sold to help pad your savings account. Side jobs. Look into side jobs like driving for Uber, food delivery, or walking dogs. Even just a few hours a week can add up quickly. By earning extra income, you can turbocharge your savings and reach your financial goals faster. 7. Practice smart shopping. It's not just about cutting back on impulse purchases. It's also about being strategic when you do shop. Smart shopping will save you money every time you buy something. Use coupons and discounts. Before making any purchase, check if there are any coupons, promo codes, or cashback deals available. Websites like Honey or Rakuten can automatically apply discounts at checkout. Buy in bulk. For household essentials and non-perishable items, buying in bulk can save you money in the long run. Just make sure it's something you actually need and will use up before it expires. Wait for sales. If it's not urgent, wait for seasonal sales or clearance events before making a big purchase. It's a great way to snag items at a fraction of the cost. Becoming a savvy shopper will ensure that you get the best deals, which means more money in your pocket for savings. 8. Set a realistic budget and stick to it. Budgeting is the backbone of saving money. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend and end up with little to show for it. Setting a realistic budget allows you to allocate funds towards savings and avoid unnecessary expenses. The 50-30-20 rule. This is a popular and simple budgeting method where you allocate 50% of your income to needs, rent, groceries, utilities, 30% to wants, dining out, entertainment, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. Be flexible but disciplined. If you find yourself overspending in one category, adjust your budget for the following month. The key is to be disciplined about sticking to your limits while still being realistic about your lifestyle. By creating and sticking to a budget, you'll have a clear roadmap for how to allocate your money, ensuring you're always prioritizing savings. 9. Avoid high-interest debt. Debt is one of the biggest obstacles to saving money fast. High-interest debts, such as credit cards, can eat up your finances quickly. If you have any outstanding debt, especially credit card debt, paying it off should be a priority. Pay more than the minimum. Whenever possible, pay more than the minimum payment on credit cards and loans to reduce interest and principal faster. Consolidate or refinance. If your interest rates are high, consider consolidating your debts or refinancing to secure a lower rate, which can save you a lot of money in the long run. By eliminating or reducing debt, you'll free up more money to save and invest in your future. Saving money fast in 2025 is not a one-time effort. It's about developing consistent habits that will help you build a stronger financial future. By setting clear goals, tracking your spending, cutting unnecessary costs, and finding new ways to earn, you'll be well on your way to financial success. Remember, every little step counts. It's not about making drastic changes overnight. It's about building momentum and making smart choices that add up over time. Start today, and you'll see the results sooner than you think. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on financial tips and how to live your best life in 2025. Happy saving, and I'll see you in the next video.